Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. We're taking a look at question number 9 on the grade 7 Gauss paper from the University of Waterloo, specifically from the year 2003. If you'd like a copy of this contest, you can click the link in the description. I highly recommend it. Try the questions out, and you can also go to the University of Waterloo's website. You can get their solutions, but try the questions before watching these solutions. It's based on feedback over many years of educating, it's the best way to really try and do these questions and to learn what things you do know and what things you don't. So question number 9. Spencer was walking home from school when he realized he'd forgotten his homework, poor fellow. He walked back to the school, picked up his homework, and then walked home. The graph shows his distance from home at different times. In total, how far did he walk? Okay. So we can see he starts here 1,000 meters from home, because we can see it's measured in meters. So 1 kilometer, actually. He's a kilometer away from home. That's okay. He starts walking, and then he gets to this dot over here, which, if we read the graph correctly, means he's 800 meters from home. So how far has he walked just to get to this dot? That's the difference between 1,000 meters from home and 800 meters from home. That'll be 200 meters. So he walks 200 meters, and then he seems to realize, oh, I forgot my homework. He walks back that same amount, 200 meters. And then from there, he's got his homework. He just walks the full distance home. Looks like it's the full 1,000 meters. Okay? So this question really relies on, can we read a graph? We'll draw our graph a little better so we have space over there for the... Start with 1,000 there. We'll go down to 800, 600, 400, 200, finally down to 0. The time scale actually doesn't matter. And it's there to, I think, trip people up or make them a little nervous, saying, oh, I don't understand. I don't know exactly what time he forgot his homework. You don't need that. You don't need that at all. So what we can say is, here he forgot homework. Up here, got his homework. That's where Spencer got his homework. And then he went all the way home. Okay, the answer to this question is what's the distance he traveled? And if we break it down in chunks based on these dots, we realize that to go from the school to the point where he realized he forgot his homework is a distance of 200 meters. To go from the point he was standing when he went, oh gee, I forgot my homework, back to the school is another 200 meters. And now we're sitting here at this dot. And from there, he just went straight home, which is the whole distance. So 1,000 meters, that's where his school is, all the way down to 0, which is home. So the total distance traveled 200 meters, and then he says, oh, I forgot my homework at school. And then he has to go the 200 meters back, and that counts as distance traveled as well. So another 200 meters. So now he's at school, got his homework. We're at this now orange dot. And then he goes all the way back home, which is 1,000 meters. 200 plus 200 plus 1,000. If you need to, grab your calculator, though I encourage you to try and, the zeros there will carry through. You always get 2 zeros. And then it's just 2 plus 2 plus 10, and that's much simpler. 1,400 or 1,400 meters. That's going to be my final answer. Hopefully you got something similar, and we both bubble in E. Okay. So we have one more question to go in part A, where the questions are worth 5 marks, and that's question number 10, and we'll do that in the next video, so please join me for question number 10, coming up next time.